Okay guys, I wanted to show you something and to teach you guys something about carburetor cleaner. Carburetor cleaner has one main ingredient. That is it. And whatever else they put in carburetor cleaner, and I'm talking about all the things you dump in your tank to make your fuel injectors clean and stuff like that, this is the component, the major component of it. And they'll throw other stuff in as fillers and stuff like that. This is nail polish remover, and you get it at the Dollar General store. And guess what? This is 16 fluid ounces, and it is $3. You can get tons of different carburetor cleaners, fuel injector cleaners, and other stuff like that, and ain't none of them $3. You know, they're all way up there in price. But this acetone is the component of all them things. You can put all of them together and they're the same thing, acetone. Now, using this full strength, I don't recommend it. I had a viewer, he was telling me that he takes 3 capfuls in every tank to keep his lawnmower clean and his vehicles clean, as far as the fuel system. And I think that's a pretty good idea. I had an idea of taking this and adding a little bottle of 2-stroke oil, and that will buffer this. And I would not use maybe that much. What is that, a cup or two? A cup, maybe a cup and a half, cup and a quarter in a 21-gallon tank. You don't want to go overboard on this stuff, because this will eat stuff up, because this is full strength. I do think a good buffer would be the 2-stroke oil mixed up in it. And the bonus of the 2-stroke oil is that it's a rust preventative. So, and 2-stroke oil is meant to be burnt, so it's not going to leave deposits and stuff. But anyhow, this is a really good. Was one of my subscribers reminded me about this, and I knew about it, but I never did think about doing a video of it. So when he told me about how he uses it and where he gets it and stuff, and I thought, well, man, I ought to tell everybody out there about that. So you can make your own carburetor and fuel injector cleaner, but like I said, when you do buffer it, just still don't use a great deal, because this one right here is 100% pure, like it says right there. And so it's pretty heavy duty stuff. It'll take paint off, so you got to be careful with it. So anyhow, thought I'd get this out there to you and let you guys get a good little information about it. So anyhow, you guys have a good one, and we'll see you on the next video.